Kit includes Safe-Skeg, mounting hardware, instructions, Allen wrench and Loctite 262. Brilliantly polished with a seamless design. Contains a drain hole to protect against corrosion and freeze-up. For Mercruiser Inboard, Outboard, Alpha 1 Generation 2 drives, years 1991 to present. Material thickness 1.5 mm, 50% thicker than the competition. Fit type universal fit. Top reviews from the United States. Nice quality item. This fit over the damaged skeg on my Alpha 1 Mercruiser perfectly and was very easy to install. I took the boat out over the weekend and it performed well. I wish I could say I noticed a huge difference, but I really didn't. Then again, my skeg was still 95% there. The real advantage to installing this part is that my skeg is better protected from damage now and I don't have to worry about my existing skeg being further damaged.